Foxtrot 1, ready for departure.
Golf 005, Foxtrot 1, line up await runway 26.
Line up await 26, Golf 00.
Golf 00, runway 26, service wind 2007 knots, clear for takeoff with left turn out.
Left turn 26, clear for takeoff, Golf 00.
Golf 00, contact Exeter radar 128.980, getting.
Exeter radar 128.980, Golf 00. Exeter radar, Golf Mike Romeo, Sierra Sierra, is passing 1,700 feet, maximum altitude 3,000 feet, request basic service.
Golf Mike Romeo, Sierra Sierra, Exeter radar, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Mike Romeo, Sierra Sierra.
Exeter, good afternoon, flyer 9760, descending by level 70, we are direct to the Exeter NDB. We're on Ember 190 with information GDS QNH on 016.
Sierra Sierra, overhead Butterworth Field in flight, request join.
Takeoff Sierra Sierra, roger, runway 26 in use, QH1016, standby.
Runway 26, QH1026, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Takeoff Sierra Sierra, just confirm QH1016.
1016, Golf Sierra Sierra.
Golf Sierra Sierra, join left base, runway 26, contact Exeter Tower, 119.805 today.
Join left base, 26 and contact tower 119.05, Golf Sierra Sierra. Exeter Tower, Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, position for left base 26.
Golf Mike Romeo Sierra Sierra, Exeter, report left base, runway 26.
Report left base 26, we'll come, Golf Sierra Sierra. Golf Sierra Sierra, left base 26.
Golf Sierra Sierra, report final.
Report final, Golf Sierra Sierra. Golf Sierra Sierra, final 26.
Golf Sierra Sierra, runway 26, wind 21009, clear to land.
26, clear to land, Golf Sierra Sierra.